Aloha kako o omaluhia. Today we're talking about how do you say this is a spoon, this is a fork, this is a knife. And those are the examples that I have with me right now. He pahi keia. He pahi keia. He pahi keia. He o. He o keia. He o keia. He o keia. He puna keia. He puna keia. He puna keia. So what you should be noticing is when you use this expression, when you're trying to get something across in this manner of this is a house, this is a pillow, this is whatever. He comes first, the object that you're talking about, and keia, meaning this at the end. So let's try a few others. So I'm sitting in a house and I can say this is a house. He hale keia. He hale keia. He hale keia. The thing that I'm sitting on right here, this is a couch, right? Well, the word for that is pune. So he pune keia. He pune keia. He pune keia. And maybe one more. Lima, hand, right? He lima keia. He lima keia. He lima keia. Now, just to add on to that, right? You can make a statement now that you know that. All you have to do is go find different words and vocabulary. But how do you ask that question of, what is this? Because you know how to respond, but how do you ask that? You can literally say, if you think you know the word for this object here, you can put it in that same structure and say, he o keia? He o keia? Is this a fork? He o keia? And then somebody who knows can say, ai, he o keia? He o keia? It makes it very simple when the question and the response is the exact same thing. Now, there's another way that you can ask, and that is to use literally, what is this? And the way you say that is, heaha keia. So we're gonna ask this. Now I know it sounds funny because, I mean, you know, you should know what this is by now if you're watching this. But for me, we have small kids. They ask me questions about anything and everything. It's playing 21 questions every day. So my daughter asks me this a lot. Hea keia, e papa. Hea keia, hea keia. He puna keia. He puna keia. He puna keia. So there you have it. You can ask, what is this? Or you can ask, is this a blank? If you think you know the word. So now you know how to ask in two ways using this structure. You can use the structure itself, he lima keia, or you can use, what is this? Hea keia. And now you know the response. He lima keia.